Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to import video and audio in Capcut. So let's get started. First, open your Capcut software and then click on this project. For import media, click on this media tab and click on this import button. Then select your footages and audio from your device. Now here we can see that if we click on this video, a preview will be shown in player. Then click on this plus icon to bring this footage in timeline. In the timeline, we can hover over the video to get a preview. From here, we can select the split tool or we can just press B on the keyboard. This tool is used for cutting the extra parts from a video. We can just split a footage into several parts and then choose which one we have to delete. If we right click on the footage from the timeline, we can see several options here. Here one option we have is that we can separate the audio from the video. This will allow us to edit the audio separately from the video. Now add some more footage from your device and then add to your timeline. Here we have a thing to notice that if our pointer is in the beginning of the timeline, the new video will be added in the beginning. And if the pointer is towards the end of the timeline, the new video will be added in the last. Then delete this audio and add another audio music. Hovering over the timeline will give us the preview of the video. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.